Hello! Creating patterns in Adobe Photoshop 2021 is now easier than ever with the pattern making tool. But as easy as this is, you still have to follow some extra steps to make sure these patterns are suitable to present to your clients. And I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Sandra and I'm a freelance illustrator and pattern designer. I create artwork that has been licensed for greeting cards, educational publishing, fabrics, stationery, home decor, and much more. I'm self-taught, and when I started this journey, I thought that all patterns have to be done in Illustrator in order to have a chance of getting them licensed, but I was wrong. 99% of my patterns are raster and not vector. So if you're looking to keep your hand-drawn elements and not have to vectorize them and lose that handmade quality, then this class is for you. We will start the class with already created icons, so if you have painted something and you don't know what to do with it and you love surface pattern design and you want to create repeat patterns, then join me and we can create them together. By the end of this class, you'll be confident about choosing color spaces, sizes for your files, types of repeats, and you'll be able to easily create complex repeat patterns, alternate colorways, and put them in nice presentation sheets for your portfolio. Oh, by the way, this tool requires no complicated math, so how perfect is it? And I have even made the process faster by creating some actions that will speed up your process and simplify your life. This way, you'll have more time to draw. So what are you waiting for? Let's start!